Hi everyone, I'm Cadence. I'm a Wayne County 4-H teen, and today we're going to make a kite. This is what it'll look like. And Jacqueline, do you want to color this while I make a new one?
Yeah.
Okay. The supplies you'll need is an 11-inch by 17-inch piece of paper, a pair of scissors, a hole puncher, some tape, a ruler, a pencil, a plastic bag, 2 popsicle sticks, and some yarn. Let's get started. So the first step is to take your piece of paper and fold it in half from left to right. Then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to mark out a 1/2 inch, which is this mark right here, and 3 inches, which is that mark right there with a 3. You want to mark 1/2 inch from the top left corner. And in the bottom right corner, you want to mark 3 inches. Next, you're going to draw a line from those 2 marks.
Mom, do you like this?
That looks great.
Okay, do you like the kite?
Yep. And draw a line between them.
Okay, do you like the kite?
Yep. This is what it should look like. Then, folding on the line, you're gonna fold it back and forth so you have a crease. This is gonna be the wings. This is what it should look like so far. Next, what you want to do is you want to pinch it from the bottom, right at that straight edge right there, and open it up just like this. You might want to crease this one to this side. And this is what it looks like. The next step is to take your tape and tape it so that this middle part stays together. Just like this, so that the middle stays together. Next, you're going to take 1 popsicle stick and put it in the middle here. You're going to want to tape this right there too. This is the support for the kite so that it stays sturdy while it's up in the air.
I'm done.
Next, you're going to take this part right here and you're going to take your hole punch. I have a butterfly hole punch so it stays in the air, just like a butterfly. You're going to want to go about 1/3 of the way down. So if you split this into thirds, I think it would be about right here. You might want a grown-up to help you with this. just like that. Then you're gonna sort of reinforce it with tape. You might need the hole punch again. Then you're gonna wanna cut out 6 to 10 feet of yarn. I already pre-cut it. You want to loop it through the hole and double knot it because you don't want it coming off and then the paper flying away. And this is an optional step, but if you want something to hold on at the end instead of just this string, you can put it onto another popsicle stick. I like to tie it and then put tape around it just to make sure that it'll stay. You want to make sure that it's nice and sturdy so it doesn't come off mid-air. This last step is also optional, but if you want like the little tassels coming off of your kite, you can cut strips off of plastic bags and then tape them onto the end, just like this. And that's your finished kite. Thank you for watching.